Hey everyone! Welcome to Faisal's channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best way to export clean, sharp, and professional designs for social media or websites using Adobe Illustrator. Now maybe you already know about this, or you've used a similar method before. And you might think it's quick and simple, and it is, and that I can just do a simple export as JPEG or PNG or whatever. No, guys, that's not how it is at all. The thing is, if you notice the difference between Arabic websites and foreign websites, you'll always find that when you see an image on a foreign site or a foreign Instagram account, the resolution just looks more comfortable to the eye, nicer, or more beautiful. We want to see exactly how they do it, or what the right way is to export from Photoshop. Sorry, for Facebook, Instagram, or websites, for example. And of course, there might be people listening to me right now who work in finalizing or adaptations, where I might have 20, 30, or even 40 sizes, and after I get approval on them, I need to export them for the internet. Alright, let's take a look together. Of course, the usual method is to go to Export, and so on, where I go here, choose Export As, and do it. But our method today is also from the Export option. But we want to use something called Save for Web, which is shortcut Command plus Option plus Shift plus S on the keyboard for Mac, or Control plus Alt plus Shift plus S on Windows PCs. So here, since I'm using a Mac, I'll press Command plus Option plus Shift plus S. You'll see that it brings up these settings for me. Let's take a look at the options or settings here. Here at the bottom, I have the format options. There's JPEG and PNG, depending on what you need. Here I have the size, and I can adjust it however I want, make it smaller or bigger. So you don't have to stick to a specific size. Here I have something really important and cool, which is the quality setting. For example, when I'm exporting an image not for social media but for websites, the developer or the person working on the site might tell me they need it in a specific size. For example, sometimes Google AdSense requires a specific size, like 70 kilobytes or 100 kilobytes, depending on what the developer needs. So here, you control the quality. Whenever you lower the quality, the file size goes down too, like to 96. But for now, we'll just leave it at 100, since our tutorial doesn't require any of that at the moment. That's it. Guys, this is the best way to export your designs or images from the amazing Adobe Illustrator program for social media or websites in general. Thanks a lot for watching, and we hope you'll subscribe to the channel.